Good afternoon po. Nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Emission Center, K-Star Emission Testing Center. No? Kasama natin si Engineer Alan, yung kanyang driver, at saka yung technician dito. Engineer, ano ang testimony mo nang nilagyan natin ng GTO yung sakyan mo hanggang sa gain emission test natin? Anong masasabi mo sa GTO?
Good morning. First of all, this car is 2005, no? Actually, 2005. It was sold during 2005, but actually this kind of car model is a surplus from Japan siguro mga 1990s na siya siguro. So, we brought it here to K-Star Emission so that we will determine the technical difference between using JTO, because this is the first time that we use JTO. So this is the left side is the technician of this emission testing center. This is a gasoline engine, and the capacity of the engine tank is 4 liters or 1 gallon. We used to use petrol oil in changing the engine oil. So today, before we fill in GTO, there was an emission conducted, and the carbon emission is 0.01.
0.07.
0.01. Or 0.01. But after we fill in the 3 GTO engine, cleanser, binder, and the other one is
Oil
enhancer. And let it run for 20 minutes around the city. Then we brought it back here in K-Star Emission, and we conducted another test. And we noticed that there was a 0.00 emission of carbon.
Wow.
So, well, that's the result. There is no carbon emission actually.
Thank you.
And this car is supposed to be scheduled for changeover this month. So we will try to observe. There are some abnormalities in the car also, like vibration during idle speed. And we will try to observe it for the next few days. And also the fuel consumption, if it is improved, if it will improve. So I hope this can help the motorists, especially those who are experiencing already bad engine performance. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Engineer.
Thank you for Mr. Dex for being the product here in Negros.
Wow, thank you, Engineer. Thank you. Ikaw, anong observe mo sing salakyan ang Regina? Anong nakikitaan mo? Anong na-notice mo nang nilagyan ng GTO? Anong pagbabago?
Bago mo i-start yung engine, sobrang
Yung vibration
sobra malakas.
sa manibela,
Sa nobela, yung hindi pa namin nalagyan ng
GTO.
GTO.
Nung nilagyan ng GTO, nawala na.
Nawala na yung vibration.
Wow, ito yung driver ni Engineer. Thank you.